Hi 5th and 6th graders, I hope you're doing well and I hope you had a great Easter. We're going to start our first math video today with a place value review. But before we go into that, I want to do a quick beat the teacher multiplication facts. So I'm going to put up some multiplication facts and I want you to see if you can say the answer before I give the answer. The first one is 5 times 7. The answer is 35. Next is 4 times 8, which is 32. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 8, again, 32. 6 times 8, 48. 3 times 6, 18. 6 times 7, 42. 9 times 3, 27. 5 times 10, 50. Last one, 2 times 7, 14. To begin our review here, let's fill out that first worksheet you have. If I go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you can get the words filled in. Whole numbers are words without fractions or decimals. They are often called counting numbers. A digit is just another name for a number. Value refers to how much a number is worth. For example, the number 46 has 4 tens and 6 ones. So the value of the 4 is 40. Place value is the numerical value a digit has based on where it is located within a number. Commas are used in numbers to make numbers with more than 3 digits easier to read. Use a comma after every third digit from the right. This number is 472,357,129. Now what we're going to talk about is the place value. This should be a review for everyone. Once I get all of the numbers up, the place value of the numbers, it should be something you recognize. The 9 is in the ones place. The 2 is in the tens place. The 1 is in the hundreds place. The 7 is in the thousands place. The 5 is in the 10,000s place. The 3 is in the 100,000s place. This 2 is in the millions place. The 7 is in the 10 millions place. And the 4 is in the 100 millions place. This would be a great place to pause the video while you're working on your worksheet so you have this as a reference for the place value of the numbers. Next, we're going to talk about the value of the numbers. So each number in any given number has a different value. So looking at this number, the 7 is in the thousands place, which means the value of the 7 is 7,000. The 2 is in the tens place, which means the value of the 2 is 20. So I like to think about this like money. If I had this much money, I would have $20. 2 $10 bills. The next number I want to look at is the 4. The 4 is in the 100 millions place, which means it has a value of 400 million. So looking at this number, 591,385,198. Which number would I be talking about if I said it's in the 10 millions place and it has a value of 90 million? See if you can point to that number. This 9. Which number would I be talking about if I said it's in the 10,000s place and it has a value of 80,000? Point to it. This 8. Which number would I be talking about if it's in the hundreds place and it has a value of 100? Point to it. This one. Which number would I be talking about if I said it's in the ones place and it has a value of 8? This one. Last one. Which number am I talking about if I say it's in the 1 millions place and it has a value of 1 million? This one. Lastly, looking at this number, I just want to review the different forms of the number. So this is the standard form of the number, so just written out with numbers. When you write it out with words, that's called the word form. So here is the word form of this number. 591,385,198. Notice I still included the commas where they're needed within the number.